Hello, today we are going to talk about Piramal Finance Home Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Piramal Finance. Having monthly salary which is fit to cover EMI. Applicant age should be between 21 years to 65 years for salaried person and 21 years to 70 years for self-employed. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 650. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, she may get loan amount up to 30 lakh to 5 crore. Tenure will be 5 years to 25 years. Login fees will 1,770. Rate of interest will be 10.50% to 14% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 7 days. Insurance and other charges will be 0% to 4%. Foreclosure charges will be nil. Processing fees will be 1% of the loan amount. Part payment is allowed. Home loan OD product is not allowed. Products are BT plus top-up, fresh purchase, plot purchase plus construction, BT home renovation. Co-applicant is mandatory. Business vintage for self-employed person should be 2 years. Job experience for salaried person is 1 year. Experience with current employer should be 3 months. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Piramal Finance Home Loan cash salary is also considered, funding in dominated area also. Pension also considered, 50% of pension. Location will be 70 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are share trading, madrasa, slaughterhouse, politician. Negative properties are 4th floor at DAF, unapproved freehold property where any authority belongs. Specific product for professionals are ROI is lower for CA and doctors. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2 year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, if applicant if company, or list of partners, if applicant is partnership LLP.